Hi folks, it's Julie with the Fran Campbell team. I'm so excited to show you my new listing today. It has a great floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 75 feet of lakefront. Come on, let's go take a peek. The main level offers a huge master suite, living room with fireplace, granite kitchen with farmhouse sink, As you enter the lower level, you'll find another living area, 2 more good-sized bedrooms, and a second large covered, maintenance-free deck for entertaining. We're located at the 44-mile marker in Nebster Hollow Cove off of Bollinger Creek Cove with deep water, and a 1-well dock completes this package. If you've been looking for a lakefront home that checks all the boxes, make sure you see this one. I love this home, and I bet you're gonna love it too. Call the Fran Campbell team to see this beauty today before someone beats you to it.